Welcome in our SS session where today we are going to turn towards social and political life. Before this, we have completed second chapter from geography, and today I am going to start second chapter of civics, which is healthcare services in India. Healthcare services. We know in India, democracy, the government is responsible for well-being of the people. Therefore, it is also responsible for developing, implementing, monitoring plans and programs for improving the better health, good health for the people, and which has a large impact on the fitness of the nation. Therefore, it is a vital role for the government to arrange for medical facilities, medical camps, vaccination camps to care for the protect its citizen from the range of ailments. So, ailments means illness. So, our government, which is responsible for the better health of citizen, for developing, for implementing schemes and programs, vaccination camps. So for this government is responsible, government which is a part of democracy. And if government taking care of this, then only the people can be live with the better health. As we know, we all are locked down. You also cannot go in school because of health problem, one of diseases which spread in whole world. So this is also part of health. WHO and all the nations are worried about that. No one is giving medicine. As a result, you are in your house, we are in our house. No one can roam freely in the city or in workplaces. And due to that, government means a democracy which is responsible for better health, to giving better programs, to implement programs, schemes for the better health of people, their illness. And for that, now we will see about health. What is health? So, health means to remain free from any kind of sickness or injury, which could be physical or psychological. What is health? So, health means to remain free from any kind of sickness or injury. Remain free any kind of sickness, any kind of injury, which could be physical or psychological. Physical injury, physical sickness as well as psychological. And if all peoples are fit with the mindly, with the physically, with the socially, then only they can give their full contribution to the development of the nation. Health, which is depend on three factors. Our health can be depend on three factors. That three factors are physical health, mental health and social health. Mental health means our whole organs can be work properly. We can think properly. Physical, in which we can better properly. We can work properly. Our whole organs, body system can be work properly. And social, we have safe in our house. Our society is safe. Our relations are better with the neighbors as well as society. So that is our social health. And if our mental, social and physical health is proper, then any person can give full contribute towards the development of the nation. And for that, our government is taking efforts. Government is providing all the facilities which are related to the health. In that, many of the vaccination camps, healthcare services are there. After this, we will see about factors of good health. What are the factors which are responsible, which are added in good health? So that factors are access to clean drinking water. Every person should access to clean drinking water. If he or she is getting clean drinking water, so obviously their health can be better. Pollution free environment. This is also one of factor. Pollution free environment. Environment should be properly pollution free. Pollution which can be of mainly three types: air pollution, land pollution and water pollution. Air, land, water, which are very essential for our life. If air, oxygen is clean, then we can breathe properly. Water for drinking, for any type, any purpose, water should be properly. And land, this is also one of important factor. So that should be, environment should be clean, pollution free. Then adequate nutrition. Adequate means sufficient. Every person should get the sufficient nutrition. Then his or her health can be better. Then hygiene living conditions. Hygiene living conditions. If we are living with the hygiene, so no one can disease, no one can disease to touch to us. So this is also one of important factor. An active stress-free life. Our life should be stress-free. Our mind should be free. Not any type of stress should be there in our mind. Then only we can work properly. We can give full contribution to the development of the nation or towards our work. So these all are important factors, and if these all are there, then our health can be better. Anyone, any person, their health can be better and to developing. For implementing this all, government is working. Healthcare services, WHO, these all peoples are working. Then what are the combat for health issues? There are some combat, there are some peoples who combat means fight. Combat means fight for health issues and for better health issues. We should need suitable healthcare services. The peoples, the government, democracy, who fight, who combat, who fight for better health, and for better health we need some suitable healthcare services. So that suitable healthcare services are hospitals. Everywhere hospitals should be there. So hospitals which can be of private, which can be of government, where people can go and check up, take the medicines and remain free from any type of diseases, as well as laboratories, hospitals, laboratories, blood banks, latest equipments, medicines, qualified doctors and nurse. So these all are the facilities, these all are the healthcare services, and this all should get people in a sufficient quantity, and for that our government is working. Everyone is working for that who is the part of healthcare services.